Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make a abstract painting. So the things we need are palette, brushes, peach color for the sun, cream color for the base or the background, blue colors for the waves, and white color for lighter shades of blue colors. So let's start. First I will apply skin color on the background. So let's start. Now as I have applied the skin color on the background, now I am going to apply the peach color on the sun. So let's start. As I have painted the sun now, but first I am applying the black color on the last wave. So let's start. As I have painted the black color, now I am going to apply the dark blue color or the Persian blue. No. So let's start. Now I am going to apply the lighter shade of Persian blue in the above third wave. So let's start. Now I am going to paint the cobalt blue color in the fourth wave. So let's start. Now as the fourth wave is also completed, I will mix the blue color, the cobalt blue color, with the white color to make the more lighter shade of blue. So let's start. As I have painted the first layer or the first wave from the upwards, now I am going to use the ocean blue color for the fifth wave. So let's start. So as you all can see, my abstract painting is now complete. I'll show you. If you like my video, please